continue. Let's look at how to replace items. So if you want to replace items, you need to know the position, or you need to know the index. I'll talk about indexing, okay? But with indexing, I gave a detailed explanation in my previous episode where I talk about string. So I would like you to watch that video. I will leave that link in the description box. That will help you to better understand some of these concepts or some of these tasks that I'm performing here. So try and then do that. So with the replacing of items, you need to know what you are replacing. That's one of the things you need to know. And then you also need to have what you are using to replace. Now let's look at this situation here. I'll just create this. Let me just use numbers. I'll just copy and paste the numbers here again. Good. So let's say I want to replace the number 2. Then I should know the index. The index is 1. So I can say numbers 1 equals 30. So now I can do numbers, and then you see that the 2 is no longer there. Okay. So this is how we replace items. Let's try with the codons. Yeah, let's say codons. Let's try with this CCU. CCA or CAC. Yeah, let's use this to see. So let's say I want to replace this one here, CCU. I know the index is 1. So that I can say codons index 1 equals, and then I bring, let's say another one, let's say UAC. So now if I query for codons, I'm going to find that it's not there. The new one has been added. That's how we do it. I'll talk more about indexing as we move along. So this is just to let you know that we can access items using indexing. So these are numbers. Okay, so this is just a warm-up for you.